Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? So today is my off day, so I thought I'd go meet with a friend. And so today I'm gonna be wearing a black dress, as you saw in my thumbnail. Styling it today with a smoky eye makeup look. So I thought, why not share it with you guys? Let's get into the video. So this is what we are working with here today. This is my travel makeup bag. Firstly, start priming my skin using the Fit Me Primer. So yeah, just a little amount in your finger and then just dab it in your skin. Now let's just blend it out. Beauty blender that I use is from Ica. Yeah, blend it out well. Let's get into my eye makeup. So I do my eye makeup before setting any of my base or eyes. So today I'm gonna be doing a smoky eye on my eyelids. So before putting any products on my eyelids, I would like to set it with a concealer. So this is the concealer that we are working with today. This is a Milani concealer in the shade 125. I'm in light natural beige. So yes, let's apply some concealer onto my eyelid. Let's do like 2 swipes of this and put a little bit below your brows as well, so that you really can get a precise brows. Okay, now let's blend it out with a brush. So this is a brush from Miss Claire. This is like 02. So I blend this out like this. So you need to make sure you just flatten your eyes out so that the product goes everywhere. When you reach your brows, make sure that you are being careful so that the product that you're applied on your brows doesn't wash off. Yes, so my base is all set for the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow that I'm going to be working with today is this palette. This is a gorgeous palette, you guys. I just got this a couple of days back. So this is the palette that I'm going to be working with today. So as I'm gonna go with a smoky eye look, so firstly I would like to set my eyes with this shade right here, because it acts like a transition shade for all the darker eyeshadows that you put in. So let's take a little amount of product and always remember to dab it onto your palette so that you do not apply excessive product. Always apply like a 2 or 3 coats because it gives much more color and definition. I think this is simple eyeshadow look. I'm gonna be using a PG shade right on the outer corner of my eyes to pop my eyes better. I sometimes use my finger as well because I feel the blending is much better with fingers. As this is gonna be a smoky eye look, I'm gonna be taking the darker brown eyeshadow and gonna be applying near to my lashes. This gives it an illusion of smokiness. So I apply a little bit on the lower lash line as well. Yes, so this eye is set. Let's finish it off with this color right here and then this all in. My eyes are all smoked out. Now let's get into my base of applying the concealer. This is the product that I'm going to be using, the MAC concealer. I'm on the shade NW35. Take like a generous amount and apply it below your eyes. If you need a lifted look, just make sure that you do a lifted line below your eyes. Apply a bit onto your forehead. These are the areas where everyone usually have dark patches, and these are the areas that you need to highlight in your face and below your lips and right here above your lips, and apply some here as well in your nose, tip of your nose. By the way, all the products that I'm going to be using today will be given in my description box below. Okay, now let's blend this out. You need to have a damp beauty blender. You need to press on it and then just lightly dab the product onto your face. So make sure you dab it upwards so that you get a lifted effect. So my face is already bright and ready to shine. Now that we are done with our concealer, let's go onto our eye look. I'm gonna be curling my lashes. So this is the lash curler that I'm gonna be using. This is from e.l.f. Beauty, and this is a really good eyelash curler, you guys. And just start moving upwards. So you want your eyelashes to pop outwards. Now that my eyelashes are lifted, let's apply some mascara. So this is the mascara that I'm working with today. This is the Surreal False Lashes by Maybelline. So let's apply an even coat of mascara onto our eyelashes. Make sure that you hold it on for at least a minute on your eyelashes. Go upwards with your color. It's already lifted. Now you apply another coat of mascara so that this lift stays on for a longer time. Now if you want, you can fill in your lower lashes again. Now for the last step, curl it again for like 30 seconds. This gives you a fuller doll-like eye look, and if you do not like to apply false lashes, this acts like a falsie. So my eye makeup is done. Let's go on to my foundation. So this is the foundation I'm going to be using today. So this is the L'Oreal Paris True Matte, and I'm in the shade 4 and beige. So always make sure you take your concealer on the back of your palm and then just dab it onto your skin with your fingers. Apply it on the areas like your cheeks, your chin, your forehead, your nose, and your neck. Apply the rest of it to your neck here for the extended lifted look. Before you blend this out, make sure you apply your blush. This is the blush that I'm gonna be using today. This is a Makeup Revolution blush. This is in the shade light pink. This goes well with the fair skin tone. So apply it on the apple of your cheeks first, and then onto the jawline, then apply a little bit on the top of your eyebrows. This is for a lifted look. Apply a little bit on the eyelids as well, and a little bit on your nose, some here on your forehead. So this gives you a lifted look and a sun-kissed tan. So just dab all of the product onto your skin like so. Blend out your blush and then move on to your this is how my base looks like. It's turned out gorgeous, you guys. Look at the lift onto my face. It's like chiseled lift. So then let's get into my eyes. So this is a kohl eye pencil from Sugar Cosmetics, Black to Black 01. I'm gonna be applying this on my lower lash line and tight line my upper lash line as well. So I just apply a generous amount on my. Now let's get into blending out my smoky eye look with the kajal. So I'm taking the shade right here, the second shade in the palette, the dark brown shade, and I'm gonna be applying it along with my kajal. It's gonna be flicking it out. You can clean this up later with your concealer if you've messed it up. Now I'm gonna do my liner with the Maybelline Colossal eyeliner, and I'm in the shade black. I did not. Do you see that lifted look? So you need to make sure that the lift goes on the top angle as well. So just draw a line first, like so. So this is the outline for your liner. So just connect this onto your lash line and extend the wing. The same thing on this side of the eye. I like to extend my tear duct as well, that it gives a foxy eye look. So just to clean up a little bit, you need to take your concealer make sure you. This is like a dramatic eye look. Now that our eyes are done, let's go on to our finishing touches. So I would like to apply some more of the cream blush to give it a final shine. This is a Milani blush in the shade Blushing Berry 130. Let's set all of this with a low setting powder. So I'm going to be using the Superstay Maybelline Fit Me Hydrating Powder Foundation in the shade 24H. So this is like a setting powder. So you need to take a generous amount of it. Like so. Just right in here, apply it onto your This gives you the illusion of that chiseled face. Dust off the excess product from your face. That is my lips. So first I'm gonna be lining my lips with the NYX professional liner, and this is a pencil formula, and I'm in the shade SPLA 31 Mauve. So I like to do a precise amount of liner onto my lower lip. Just extend a little bit. Now line your lips following your cupid bow. This gives an extra drama to your lips. Make sure you dab your lips after you apply. I'm gonna be going with a nude pink lip shade. So this is the lipstick that I'm gonna be using. This is from Sephora Beauty, and I'm in the shade 05. Just look. My makeup is done, you guys. Oh my goodness, this has turned out so good. This is the look for you guys. Please do recreate this and let me know how you like the product and how you like the makeup look. And please do comment, like, and share if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel.